So here we have the JR001G 40V max reciprocating saw from Makita. As you can see from the machine, starting from the back, nice ergonomical grip, variable speed trigger, 2 electronic gear settings on the top, so you've got 1, 2 and then lock in the middle to lock the trigger off. Large joist hook to the sides in case you need to hang it up and put it out of the way. On the front of the machine it's all toolless, so when you want to adjust the shoe, that's all toolless, and then to change the blade it's toolless as well, to save you from burning your fingers and touching the blade. It will automatically eject it out of the tool. The travel on the machine is 32mm in the strokes, and it takes the 40V max battery, as you can see on the bottom. So that is the JR001G.